Welcome back. One way to begin working with Canva is to start by clicking this button that says, Create a Design. If you have an idea of what it is that you want to create, this button can be helpful for you. We're going to click the button that says Create a Design. You're going to see a search area here where you can search for the design you want to create, or you can look at some of these suggested ways to create a specific design. You can use the same process here by looking at your dashboard and by choosing a specific design that you want to create. One thing that you can do before you choose a specific type of design is you can start by using the custom size area. We're going to click this button that says Custom Size. What you're going to then do is you're going to write in a custom size. What you'll then notice is that Canva is going to give you more suggestions, and you're going to see them here based on pixel. If you want to use dimensions that are not based on computer pixels, you can use them based on inches, millimeters, or centimeters. What you'll also notice here is that you can lock the aspect ratio. So for example, if you were to type in a specific width and height, what you can do is you can choose to lock the aspect ratio so that it will not change. When you begin to add elements to the design, you can then click this button that says, Create a New Design. What you'll then notice is that you have a canvas, and then Canva will make suggestions based on the canvas size that you already have here. What you can also do in order to place a specific template within your design is you can begin to search within your templates, and so you can write in a keyword and you are then going to begin to see templates that may fit what it is that you are trying to do. You can narrow down that element by placing in specific filters. If you want to filter by a language, you can do it. If you want to filter by color, you can do it. Once you have a template area, you can narrow down your search by using some of the categories that you see across the top to make your search more specific, and you'll see those templates that are going to be relevant here in this area. You are going to want to be aware as to whether the templates are going to be from the Pro setting or whether it will be one that you can use with the free version. In every place where you see the Pro insignia, you'll then be able to see that this will be one of the templates that are part of the Pro version, so we can select from the free version a template that will not be paid. And what you can do now is you can start the editing process inside of the template that you have pulled into your custom size. Okay, so with that, thanks and I will see you in another video.